Konnichiwa. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Sunomono salad. The ingredients we need are Japanese cucumber, seaweed, rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Let's peel the cucumbers. And cut it. Next, add the salt and squeeze the cucumbers. Wait for 10 minutes. Next, let's dehydrate the seaweed. Next, we will prepare the sauce. You can put 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar depending on your preference and put 6 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Mix it well. Next, you will squeeze the cucumbers and add it into the sauce. Now you will do the same things for seaweed. And mix it well. All done. This is Sunomono salad. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.